Mistakes that are stopping you from reaching your first 1,000 followers as a business owner in 2023. Number one, you are inconsistent. You don't post on a consistent schedule. You expect that something's going to come from posting once a month or once a week, and you're not seeing any growth. Well, it's because you're not posting consistent. Number two, even worse, you're choosing never to post, and you're definitely not going to be growing or reaching that 1,000 followers if you are not posting. Go ahead, just hit the post. It's okay if you make mistakes. Three, your focus is on yourself and not on your client, meaning that you're posting things that you enjoy, but does your client enjoy them? Number four, TikTok likes authenticity. So if you're not being yourself, people are not going to follow you. Lastly, number five, you are not engaging with others. So just because they might be engaging with you, you're not reaching out and engaging with them. So whether that means go engage in conversations on their posts or engage on conversations when they comment on your videos, make sure you are also engaging with the people that you want in your community. Always love meeting new business owners. So if you are a business owner, be sure to comment and let us know who you are, what you sell, what you do, and we will love to get to know you. So be sure to comment, and if you want more ways of making social media simple, hit the follow button.